MiroPure Ionic Hair Strengthener Brush.
So hey, today we're getting ready to go over this MiroPure Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. Now we're going to open it up, show you what's inside of it. My wife has already used it twice. She really likes it, which is the reason we're going ahead and make a video for you. So it's going to come in a package like this. Pretty straightforward. Then we're going to open it. I think the other side was the one to open. Okay. So we're going to open this. It's going to come in, I believe, 3 or 4 pieces. I can't remember. So it comes in this nice little bag, and it does come 3 pieces. So you're going to have your bag, your actual brush, this glove, which I will explain to you, and then your instruction sheet. So we've already used it, so I can explain to you the different things. This bag is kind of like a leathery feel. Your brush is going to look like this, and you're going to have this glove. The reason you have the glove is, let's say you're right-handed, you're going to brush with your right hand. Then you're going to use this glove in your left. This is an anti-scald brush, so you will not get burnt, but it can burn your hand. So you will have this on your hand. You'll see it has these little, they're like little beads on it. That's so you have a grip. So this is for whatever hand you're not using this one. So you don't want to use on this hand. If you're using this hand to brush, you don't want to put it on that. You want it on the opposite hand. So the brush itself is pretty straightforward. It's simple. Has some grips here. And we're going to plug it in and show you exactly how it works. This model number is HC009. And it's on the box. I was looking to see if it's here, but I don't see it here. But this one is HC009. There are a couple of different models. And you'll see it has the logo on the bag, MiroPure. It also has it here, and it has it here. So this is an ionic hair straightener. So it will heat up, and then you run your hair through it. And that's what does it. You'll see, it's kind of dim. You can't really see it very well. It's flashing right here. It says off. That tells you that, of course, it's not on. This is your on-off button, and these are your temperature settings. When you turn this on, it starts automatically at, I believe, 350 or 360. You adjust the heat as needed. If you want to use it as it just comes on, you just push it on. Right there, it comes at 360. So it will start heating up till it gets, it's right there, it's going up, 120, 130. So it's moving up till it gets the desired temperature, 360, which we're going to leave it at what it's set at. And if you think that's too hot or you want it a little hotter, you can adjust the temperature here. You can turn it down to 300. You can turn it up to whatever you feel is necessary. Another neat feature on this is as you're brushing, this moves with you. A lot of different things. This is stationary, so it twists around. This spinning like this will help you to not get twisted in your cord. See, it's already up to 295, 300, so it's almost up to temperature. You put your hand here, you feel the heat a little bit, but you don't really feel how hot it is, but you don't want to touch it. That's what this glove is for. So as you're running this through your hair, it has the anti-scald, which is these plastic pieces, which pulls it away from your body, and these little pink pieces, I believe, are your heat. So this will keep you from getting burnt, but you can touch it with your hand, your opposite hand, henceforth the glove. So my wife will demonstrate how it works. I was just giving you the base idea of how it goes, and she will be glad to show you how it works. So she decided she wanted it to go down to 300. She likes it at 300. So as you see, I turned it down here. I don't know how well you can see these. It's kind of dim, but it's already dropping down to 329, 327, 324, 320. So it drops and raises pretty quickly. 300 is the setting she likes. Like I said, it automatically comes to 360. If you want to adjust it hotter or cooler, you do these. So my wife's getting ready to do her hair here. She's got it set on 300, and she will show you how it works. So you put the glove on the hand that you're not using. So apparently she's using her left hand to use the iron.
So I'm wearing this side, and I'm using this side for my
hair. You want me to pull that
hair.
closer? So she's getting ready to use the iron, as you see. She's right-handed, so she has the glove on her left hand, and she will be using her right hand to brush her hair. So she's getting ready to start. Now remember, it's set at 300.
So yeah, it's 300. We set that for 300.
And it just brushes through like you're brushing your hair. You can already see it straightening. If you look at the right side compared to the left that she just did, you can see it's already straightening. She'll do it a couple times, and then it'll start to straighten even more. But I can already see the difference as she's doing it.
So this is one first. Yeah.
That's just one stroke, and it's already straightening.
Yeah. This is very nice because you just brush your hair.
Yeah, it's just like brushing your hair normally.
Yeah, it's like you're brushing.
It has an ionic heat. It's a 2-in-1.
Yes, you just like normal brushing your hair, and it's strengthening as well.
So it's heat and it's ionic, so that's why it's a 2-in-1. And I can already see the difference in your hair. That's why it takes a little longer. But if you want higher heat, it'll do it faster. She just doesn't like the higher heat. But it looks nice. You can see the difference between the two sides.
See the difference?
Yeah, it's kind of this wild looking on the one side, and it's getting straight on the other. And it makes a difference. It looks nice. It's getting real straight.
Yeah.
And you can do this however long you want until it's as straight as you want. But there's a big difference I can see in the two sides right now.
See the difference, right?
Yeah, I can see the difference.
If you see that, it's smooth.
Just like straighten. That way you don't have to use a straightener that you would normally use.
Yes, you just brush it as normal. And you can use this as a brush itself. And it's nice to bring with you because there's a bag on it.
Yeah, the bag is for carrying, travel. And also, I believe the material is good for heat. That's why you can put it in there.
See, it's nice. No.
Yeah, it looks nice.
So
I can tell you've done the one side more than the other, though.
I did not yet touch this.
Yeah, I see a big difference in the two sides.
Mm.
Also,
it's like,
if you look, it like fluffs it out.
Yes, and it's like smooth.
Yeah.
It becomes smooth.
It becomes smooth and like a fluffy. The other side is kind of like flat.
Flat, isn't it? Yeah. So we're gonna do the other side.
You notice how it swivels there at the bottom so it doesn't bunch up. That's the nice feature there. Because it's already rotating back and forth as you spin it back and forth.
Yeah.
So it doesn't ball up.
So that's...
Only a few strokes, it's starting to get flat already. Straighten.
Yeah.
It's just not as straight.
I love it. I love it. I used this for 2 times already.
That's 3 now.
Yeah, this is the 3rd. And I really love it. I highly recommend this. It's it's a brush itself. It's straightened as well. So this is a good because all in one, and it's very handy with a bag with you, so you can bring somewhere else. And with this gloves, this is nice to protect yourself.
You could probably use this as a brush even if you didn't use the heat.
Yeah, that's why. You can use as a brush itself.
Yeah, even without the heat.
Yeah, without the heat. And if you want with strengthening, you can just on this to the electric. So it's nice.
Just remember, you can change the temperature to whatever you want on here. So if you decide you want a higher temperature to straighten faster, you can do that. She just chose 300.
Yes. So this is the outcome. I really love it. And I highly recommend.